McLaren and Nova using the music we loved against us. Breaking my ship.
And you didn't even get to do your rap.
I know. I don't mind telling you. I'm irked.
Wish I could go back in time. The future looks so bright. Before all this, now nothing makes me smile. How could you do this to all my favorite music? I'm teaching you a lesson, and now I'm making a new hit. Hope you let it soak in. Everything left broken.
People are tuning into our distress signal. A lot of people. But they can't hear it, can they? No, they're listening to this.
The captain? So, it wasn't my messages making him want to rap. Oh, he's grumpy.
People want to hear him. I guess he's tapped into the galactic mood.
Right. There's something I need to say that you always think I should say, even if they can't hear me. Patch me into Cap's rap.
You tricked me, you fooled me, now look at us deserted.
Can you hear me? Are you listening? I'm saying sorry for my bad influence.
Did you catch that, Sid? Like a faint buzzing.
Could he hear me?
People are upset. Nova Jones saying sorry might be the one thing they really want to hear. Keep singing.
So I'm saying sorry for my bad influence, bad influence.
You led me astray in space so far away. Now I can't look at your pictures without feeling so betrayed. All my favorite sounds, you know you let me down. And now it's up to me to turn everything around. I should have seen the signs. You gotta make this right. It's up to you to fix. All you gotta do is fight it. I got nothing left to say. You gotta save the day. When everyone lose hope, you can always lead the way.
You hear me?
Wait a minute.
Are you listening?
I can hear you.
I'm saying sorry for my bad influence. 'Cause I pulled the